I'm going to explain to you why cuticle oil is so important and how many times you should use it in a day. I just got back from Las Vegas, and let me tell you, it's hot, and my cuticles show it. They are so dry, and I mean, if you look at my skin, I have really pretty sheer on, but my nails look like crap because my skin around it is so dry. It needs oil, it needs nourishment. Our cuticle oil has so many different things that are going to lock in moisture, hydrate that skin around your cuticle, and make your polished job look perfect. With things like avocado, soybean oil, it has grapeseed. This has so many different goodness in it, vitamin E, and it's really gonna help penetrate that skin. I even put it on my skin wherever it's dry, nourish and lock in moisture. How often do you want to use this? Anytime you think about it. You think about it, I have one in my purse, I have one in my car. You think about it, you do it. But I'm gonna tell you the most important time to do it. The most important time of the day is at night. Why? You're not gonna wash your hands. You're not gonna be taking it off immediately. You're not gonna be doing the dishes and re-drying out your skin, right? So it's gonna help it sit on there, absorb, and really do the job. Is this just for natural nail people? Absolutely not. It is for anybody that wears artificial, enhancements, gel polish, acrylic gel polish, whatever it is, you all should be doing oil. This is also going to keep your skin from getting hangnails. Your skin gets dry, those little pieces of skin tear, and we end up with hangnails. So this is also gonna help prevent that. Using cuticle oil in combination with like a hand cream, love our hand cream by the way, is really going to turn back the hand of time. My hands always look about 5 years younger, I swear, when I do this. But give your skin a little nourishment, a little drink of oil, and use cuticle oil daily.